Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar Wish Week. Alright, so we have Bryce Savage here in this Wish Week part of my life. And that song is called Glow Up. So it's you, true champion, you wish for this song. So yeah, great. You took the chance here to interact with me here in Going Guitar. And now it's your song, Bryce Savage, Glow Up. Hope you will enjoy it, and all you Savage fans. Let's go into this one with the capo set on the first fret. That is the absolute best scenario for the song. So let's do that and go over the chords. We'll look at the melody soon, but the chords are the building blocks for almost every song. So we'll start with them, starting now with the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G as the next chord, and that will be third on E string, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have F. That's the last chord, and that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. You cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So A minor, G, and F, that is what we're gonna work with. Let's go into the melody here. And we have two rounds, you can say, of this A minor, G, F part. The first half of it, or the first round, it will be A minor, G, and F. And then the second half or second round will be A minor, G, F, and back to G. All right, so we'll go chord by chord, starting now with A minor. You're gonna play this. If you can do the clap, then that is great. You don't have to. I'm gonna show you both ways here. So you're gonna start with open A together with second G, then open high E, and then immediately go with the clap if you choose to go there, and then first B. And that's it for A minor. So like this. Okay. Then you go to the next chord, the G. You're gonna play like this. So that is to play third fret on E string in the bass together with open G. Then third B. Then comes the clap and first B. And then we have the F, that is twice as long in measurements if you compare them, and it goes like this. Sorry. Okay, so that will be to get the first fret on E string in the bass together with third D. Okay, and then you go first B from the bar, and then comes the clap, then second G, and third D. A short pause there with a clap, and open B. That's it for this F. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay. And then over to the second half or second round of the song, and that is to play A minor again. You play that in the exact same way as the first one, so. And the same goes with the G that comes, played in the exact same way as the previous G we learned. Okay, and then you're gonna play the F, and it goes the exact same way to start with. So it's still this part, but as soon as you played that first E string together with third D, then first B, the clap, and second G. Right after that point, you switch back to G, and you play this. That will be to play third fret on E string together with open G, then third B, then clap, and open B. And that is the last notes of this melody. And that is how you play from the beginning till the very end when it comes to just this melody with the built-in clap. If you think that is too hard to have the claps, then just practice the melody so you really get used to that, and then the claps could come naturally afterwards. So I suggest you practice the notes, the melody, and then build in the claps. I'm going to take you through one round slowly so I understand what one round is, and then I'm going to speed up to somewhat of a standard tempo. So let's go. And in standard tempo, a bit faster, goes like this. And so on. What you can do then, if you want, you can add more strings to this melody than just these notes I showed you. So these notes are the most important because that is where the melody lies, okay? That is how it goes. But then you have supported strings from, let's say, the first chord A minor. It's not only open A and second D, you can also kick the second D, okay? That could be the supportive notes for this first kick. So it gives more depth, more flesh to this skeleton, so to speak. So as long as you emphasize the notes that are important, you can back it up with other strings from the actual chord. It will always sound nice to do that. So for example, you can go like this. So on. All right, you can play around with it. You have the chords and everything there within a chord considered as a family of notes, and they really like each other. So if you can incorporate many of them, that is often a good choice to do that. But start like this, practice the melody, and then move forward and play around with it. All right, this is how you play the melody with the clap, but you can also choose to just skip all the notes here and just go with a plain strumming pattern. So I'm gonna give you that as well. Now we need to learn a strumming pattern. So if you go to the first chord A minor, one strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. A couple of rounds goes like this to get the feeling for the rhythm. All right, so with this context, it will be A minor, one strumming round, G, one strumming round, and F, two strumming rounds. That's the first half. Then you start all over and play A minor, one strumming round, G, one strumming round, now F1 and G1. And you roll it like that from the beginning till the very end. So A minor 1, G1, F2, A minor 1, G1, F1, G1, like this. And so on. All right, you can play around with it, strumming, melody, building the beat or not. It's up to you. You have all the tools now to handle Bryce Savage song Glow Up. So thank you, True Champion, for interacting with me. You are a true champion for doing that here on Growing Guitar. So thank you. And I hope you will listen to this one, watch this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and help me out here. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.